Hello guys, welcome to Tutorly. So in today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to customize an Odoo website. Odoo includes a built-in website builder that makes it easy to personalize your site without needing to write code. That means you can update the design, adjust the layout, and create pages that better match your brand, all from within the platform. This is ideal for small business owners, marketers, or anyone who wants a professional-looking website without hiring a developer. With Odoo, you can make your site visually appealing, mobile-friendly, and aligned with your branding in just a few clicks. To get started, log into your Odoo account and open the website app from the main dashboard. Once you're inside, navigate to the page you want to edit. When the page opens, click Edit in the top right corner. This switches the page into editing mode, where you can begin making visual changes directly on the site. Editing mode is essentially your workspace, where you have full control over the page layout and content blocks. From there, you can drag and drop content blocks onto the page. These blocks include elements like banners, text sections, images, feature areas, contact forms, and product displays. This is one of the easiest ways to build or refresh a page, because you can see your changes in real time as you arrange everything. For example, you could add a large hero banner at the top of your homepage to immediately grab visitors' attention, or insert a product showcase block to highlight your top-selling items. You can also click on individual elements to customize them more precisely. For example, you can edit text, adjust fonts, change colors, update backgrounds, and fine-tune spacing. These settings help you create a cleaner layout and make sure the page feels consistent with your overall branding. You might want to match your text colors and button styles with your brand palette, or adjust spacing so that sections look balanced. When you're done editing, click Save to keep your changes. If you want to update the overall look of the site, go to Website, then Configuration, then Settings. Under Theme, select a different theme from there. You can customize design details like colors, fonts, header style, footer style, and buttons. This is useful if you want a broader visual refresh across the entire website, instead of editing one page at a time. For instance, switching to a modern, minimalist theme can instantly give your site a more contemporary feel without touching each individual page. You can also customize the header and menu. Open your website, click Edit, and hover over the header section. Here, you can change the logo, update the navigation menu, and edit things like social media links and contact information. Since the header appears across much of the site, even small updates here can make a big difference. For example, adding a clear call to action button in the header can encourage visitors to book a demo or make a purchase, which helps improve engagement and conversions. To customize the homepage specifically, go to Website and open Home. Then click Edit. You can add sections such as a hero banner, featured products, testimonials, FAQ, or a contact form. These sections help guide visitors and highlight the most important parts of your business. For example, a testimonial section builds trust, while a featured products section showcases your best offerings. Adding an FAQ can also reduce customer inquiries by answering common questions up front. If you need to create more content, go to Website and click New Page. Enter a page name, then choose a template, or start with a blank page. After that, design the page using the same drag-and-drop blocks. This is useful for creating landing pages, service pages, or blog posts, giving you flexibility to expand your site as your business grows. For more advanced customization, enable Developer Mode by going to Settings and activating Developer Mode. This unlocks deeper options like HTML and CSS editing, QWeb templates, JavaScript, and custom modules for developer-level changes. With these tools, you can implement highly customized features, animations, or integrations that go beyond the standard drag-and-drop editor, giving your website a truly unique and professional look.